Jim the Handyman, a drip, a splash, and a dash of humility. Jim had always prided himself on being a handyman, so when his wife, Sarah, asked him to fix the bathroom sink, he confidently grabbed his toolbox and headed to the bathroom. After about an hour of clanging and muttering, Sarah heard Jim call out, "Honey, can you come here for a second?" Sarah walked in to find Jim sitting on the floor, soaked and surrounded by a puddle of water. The sink was still dripping. "Well," Sarah said, stifling a laugh, "how's it going?" Jim sighed, dripping wet. "Let's just say I found the problem." Sarah raised an eyebrow. "Oh yeah? What was it?" Jim pointed to the pipe. "Turns out it's not a DIY job. The pipe's broken and needs a plumber." Sarah couldn't hold back her laughter any longer. "So basically, you discovered what I already knew." Jim grinned sheepishly. "Yeah, but at least I confirmed it. That counts for something, right?" Sarah shook her head, still laughing. "Sure, honey, it counts for something. Now let's call the plumber before you flood the house." And so Jim learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes the best way to fix a problem is to admit you need help, and maybe, just maybe, listen to your wife the first time.